Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:54 p.m. and today is 20th of September 2021, right? So I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm PhD in physics from IIT Delhi, but absolutely doing nothing with my PhD in physics. Rather, I'm applying all the concepts that I've learned in IIT or in my graduation and post-graduation into stock market, and actually I'm finding very good results. So see here, this is one stock that I had given. It gave 2 points, but I'll just read out. I've given a stock here. So here I'm still holding your positional stock BPL, which I've given at 34 rupees, 37 rupees on 24th July. It's more than double, right? So BPL, you all can have a look, how this stock has given more than double movement, right? We have entered somewhere here, right here, यहाँ पे कहीं पे, यहाँ पे इस जगह पे हमने एंट्री ली थी और यहाँ से 81 ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन डबल हो चुका है, राइट? So that's the power Stock Pros research is, and please follow here on Twitter. You can follow me on Telegram. This is my Telegram channel with about 390,000 subscribers. You can definitely watch all the videos out here on my YouTube channel and search whatever you want. You can type anything: RSI, MACD, risk management, or setup, intraday, positional. You will get everything out here, right? So just search by coming on my page, and then you will be able to find anything that you want to that you're looking for, right? तो आज की बात करते हैं सबसे पहले ऑप्शन चेन को देखते हुए। तो ये निफ्टी की ऑप्शन चेन है। निफ्टी आज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 188 पॉइंट्स डाउन बंद हुई है और ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 17,400 पे बंद हुई है, राइट? अगर ये 17,400 पे बंद हुई है, राइट, इसका मतलब क्या है? सिंपल सा, अगर हम इस ऑप्शन चेन को देखें तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले एक रेजिस्टेंस जो निफ्टी को नजर आता है वो आता है 17,500 पे, राइट? यू कैन ऑल सी दैट देयर इज अ ह्यूज रेजिस्टेंस हियर। Whereas on the put side, आप लोग इस जगह को ध्यान से देखो, everywhere you will see a minus side, means कि ये सारे जो है अब ऑप्शन अनवाइंड हो चुके हैं, राइट? इतने सारे ऑप्शन जो ऑप्शन राइटर्स थे, they have run away, they have actually उन्होंने अपनी पोजीशन से एग्जिट कर लिया है। See here, 40,000 contracts, 15,000 contracts, 5,000 contracts, right? These have been unwinded. It is a simple implication that market has quite a bit of weakness and the weakness may continue, right? कहाँ जाके एक निफ्टी को सपोर्ट मिलेगा? अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें कि कहाँ पे पुट राइटर्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आज के दिन कहाँ पे काफी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स और कहाँ पे हाई वॉल्यूम्स आए हैं, तो राइट हियर एट 17,400 you will see a lot of put writers are active, right? Even if you see here at 17,300 also, a lot of put writers are active. 50,000 open interest is 50,400. Here the open interest is 60,957. So सपोर्ट अगर आप इस बार की एक्सपायरी का देखते हैं तो 17,400 17,300 पे आता है और ऊपर की साइड में रेजिस्टेंस जो आता है 17,500 पे आता है, राइट? यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर द रेजिस्टेंस इज एट 17,500, राइट? जो लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हैं, जो लोग मुझे सुनते आ रहे हैं, आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड बाय नाउ that by nature I am bullish, right? Of course, my trade, which were sell trade, used to be very bang on, but somehow for the last 1.5 years, ever since market is going up, or maybe the pandemic started after March 2020, my stance has become extremely bullish, right? So I only want to buy. तो although market fell about 188 points, but जो मैंने रिसर्च की है अभी, लाइक लास्ट 1.5 आवर्स में बैठ के जो मैंने रिसर्च करी है, तो उससे मुझे यही समझ में आता है कि मार्केट में अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन टुमारो, बट देयर इज वन सेक्टर व्हिच इज गोइंग टू रन, right? With one sector which is going to give a very promising result, and that sector is FMCG sector, right? और consumer goods sector, right? तो उसमें मैंने कुछ स्टॉक्स आपके लिए निकाल के रखे हैं, बट उससे पहले आई डोंट नो मैंने आप लोगों को एक वीडियो बनाया था, मेरे को वो मिल नहीं रहा है वीडियो, बट मैंने बोला था सारे होटल्स के स्टॉक को आप लोग अपने रडार पे रखो. All the hotel stock you should keep on your radar. For example, I've given you a lot of names also. If you remember that video, please tell me which video is that. आप लोग अगर देखते हैं तो I'm sure आप लोगों को याद होगा. मैंने बहुत सारे उस दिन सारे के सारे होटल स्टॉक्स निकाले थे और आप लोगों को बोला था कि उनको रडार पे रखो. लाइक अडवाणी अडवाणी होटल, कामत होटल, इंड होटल एंड जितने भी मैंने शैलेट होटल, इन सब के नाम मैंने निकाले थे और आप लोगों के लिए निकाल के रखे थे. और मैंने बोला था कि आप इनको रडार पे रखिए बिकॉज दे विल गिव यू अ गुड ब्रेकआउट. एंड आज के दिन वही हुआ है. इफ यू हैव अ लुक एट इट, दिस इज इंड होटल, दिस इज रॉयल ऑर्किड होटल, राइट, और ये अडवाणी होटल है, राइट, सब में ताज जीवी के, राइट. सिमिलरली शैलेट में भी एक ब्रेकआउट आया था. तो बहुत सारे होटल्स में आज ब्रेकआउट आया है, राइट. इट वाज प्रीटी मच एविडेंट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम की एक पेंडिंग इनमें ब्रेकआउट आने वाला है. तो इसी तरह मुझे एक सेक्टर जो बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है आने वाले नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज के लिए, वो सेक्टर है एफएमसीजी का या कंज्यूमर गुड्स का. तो मैंने कुछ स्टॉक्स निकाल के रखे हैं. जो पहला स्टॉक है उसमें है नेस्ले. पहला स्टॉक है उसमें नेस्ले, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ नेस्ले लुक लाइक. वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग इन द फॉलिंग मार्केट. The market was falling, but this stock didn't fall, right? Rather, it had made a new, मतलब कल के हाई को ब्रेक करा इसने, right? तो मैंने भी इसमें बाय दिया था 20,300 पे and it closed at 20,388. So that is my first stock from my FMCG or consumer goods segment. The next stock that I have on my radar is Bosch, right? Bosch is looking very, very good. I have shown you my screenshots. I have made good money on this particular day when the breakout had come, right? And the institutions are still very active on the particular in this particular stock, right? तो एंट्री कहाँ पे लेनी है अगर ये स्टॉक 14,444 के ऊपर जाता है, 15,440 के ऊपर जाता है, तब ये इसका जो रुकेगा जाके ये 15,800 पे ही रुकेगा. उसके पहले इसमें कहीं पे भी एक स्टॉपेज नहीं आएगी. तो ये मेरा सेकंड स्टॉक है बॉश इंडिया, राइट. बॉश के बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है वो है मारिको. Marico is also looking very, very good, right? This is how it is. So in spite of falling market, Marico had a good breakout and you can expect a movement whenever it goes above 572 and holds itself for about 10-15 minutes. You can definitely expect a move till 581. And if 581 is crossed, then definitely it will go to touch the next high, which is 587. And after that, 600 is going to be the target. So that's my third stock, which is on my radar. एंड एक और स्टॉक जो F&O सेगमेंट का ही है वो है गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज, राइट. प्लीज आई एम होपिंग दैट यू आर making a list and you are really, because I have done a lot of research and after that I have given this, I'm giving you these stocks. So this is how Godrej properties look, right? Have a look at it. This is how the channel is, right? This is how the channel looks like and looks to be, it probably have, if it breaks this high, right, which is 1674, you should definitely expect a good breakout in this stock, right? This looks pretty promising to me with respect to all its data points, right? So that's my fourth F&O stock. एक और इसी तरह का stock है कोलपैल, which is again FMCG, MNC and consumer goods, right? So above, it's consolidating in this place. It has to go above 1753. इस जगह के ऊपर आपके पास एक गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी कोलपैल में. तो मेरे स्टॉक्स जो है मैं आप लोगों के लिए क्या करूं, लिख दूं कि क्या करूं, आप लोग याद कर सकते हो. नेस्ले, मैरिको, बॉश, गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज एंड कोलपैल, 5 स्टॉक्स है, राइट. So here is my list: Nestle, Marico, Bosch, Godrej Properties and Coalpal. 5 stocks मैंने F&O segment से निकाले and 3 stocks मैंने cash segment से निकाले, सागर सीमेंट, दावत एंड प्रीकैम. सो क्विकली मैं इन तीनों को भी आपको दिखा देती हूँ. तो सागर सीमेंट्स ये रहा, this is Sagar Cements. So it has had this part as its consolidation zone, right? This part is the consolidation zone. If the stock goes above this particular place, right, which is 290, above 290, you will have a buying opportunity. And first target is for sure going to be 310 और 310 के बाद 316, और अगर 316 भी क्रॉस हो जाता है, and then let me have a look, is it at the lifetime high? So I think then it's going to be at lifetime high after 316, and then you can expect another 10% move. मतलब 320 से 350 होने में इसको ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा, right? The only condition is कि इसका current high जो है वो break होना चाहिए, right? तो अगर ये 318, 16 के ऊपर जाता है ये स्टॉक, तो 350 का टारगेट आप इसमें for sure expect कर सकते हैं. So ये मेरा first cash का stock था, Sagar Cement. The next stock that I have on my radar for cash segment is Daawat. So this is how Daawat looks like, right? So it has kind of given a breakout from its consolidation zone, but I still want more confirmation. So if it goes above 72, we will have a good buying opportunity. So if you notice, this stock has been consolidating for the last 1 month, right? 9th August onwards, the stock has been consolidating, right? So after this place 72, you can expect a flight till about 83 non-stop. I mean, in few days it should be at 83, and if 83 crosses, the 90s target can be expected. So the last stock that I have on my radar looks very, very beautiful, and which is Precam, right? Precam, precision camshaft. So this is how the stock looks, formed almost like a double bottom. This is a place where a lot of activity is happening, like every time stock comes to this zone, यहाँ से support लेके ऊपर जाता है. तो आज इसने इस कंसोलिडेशन जोन को ब्रेक किया है विद वॉल्यूम्स, एंड इट लुक्स प्रीटी गुड टू मी. किस जगह के ऊपर बाय करेंगे हम? 101.5 के ऊपर बाय करेंगे, 102 के ऊपर बाय कर सकते हैं, और 102 के बाद ये जो है फर्स्ट टारगेट इसका होगा 112, एंड 112 के बाद आई थिंक ये लाइफ टाइम हाई पे होगा. नो, नॉट लाइफ टाइम हाई. 112 is a very, very strong resistance. If you notice from the past, 112 is a very strong resistance. So आपको अगर ये resistance cross होता है, तो I will definitely be expecting a target of 140, right? 144 है, but I will take 4 points as safe. So 40% return can be expected from here. Now, so uh, what quickly I want to do, because I really don't want to leave it like that. We will see कि इसमें होता क्या है, इस कंपनी में होता क्या है, मुझे पता नहीं है, because I've come across this company for the first time. So Precam, right? Precam shafts. So 829 crores की कंपनी है, और ROC and ROE is not pretty good. Book value is 67 rupees. Dividend yield is also very small. Let's see, company is expected to give good. So in the future, अभी upcoming quarter जो हो सकता है अच्छा हो. Company has maintaining a healthy dividend payout. Company has low return on equity, of course, and has other income of 33.8 crores. So now let's go further down and see what is happening to the operating profit margin. Has been pretty much consistent, and what is happening to the sales has grown, right? So that is a positive point. I want to check what else is happening. Sales year on year basis have really grown up from 303 to 819 crores. I also would like to see what are the borrowings. So borrowings have slowly reduced. So see, अगर आप नोटिस करोगे 180, 179, 223, 222, तो 2015 तक इनकी बोरोइंग्स इंक्रीज होती रही, फिर इन्होंने पे आउट करना शुरू किया है, बट अभी बीच में 2020 में थोड़ा बढ़ गई थी, और अब फिर से 174 करोड़ पे आ गई है, राइट? बट उसी के साथ हम एक चीज और भी देखते हैं कि रिजर्व जो है कंपनी में अच्छे खासे है, 548 के रिजर्व्स हैं. तो अगर किसी समय अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि कंपनी को सडनली क्लोज डाउन करना पड़ेगा, तो कंपनी विल बी एबल टू पे द लायबिलिटीज और द बोरोइंग्स फ्रॉम इट्स रिजर्व्स, राइट? अब हम एक चीज और देख लेते हैं, कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज अ very good here, right? 120 crores are generated from cash activity. So these are some positives. But let's see, debtor days are basically slightly reduced, and ROC and ROE is not very good. But just quick review on its website. Let's see what does the company really do, right? Because company करती क्या है, I have no idea. Shafts बनाती होगी, I'm sure. Precision shafts it must be making. And here it's coming up, precision shafts, right? So where passion meets performance. So they are into, the precision group is at forefront of automotive component business. PCL is one of the largest camshaft manufacturer in the world, manufacturing all types of camshafts under one roof with an impeccable team led by highly qualified manager. We have succeeded in establishing mutually beneficial engagement with original equipment manufacturers. Okay, so if I can quickly see who are the business partners and what are the products. So what are the products? I'm sure they are making shafts only. So these are the shafts. These are the products. These are shafts basically, chill cast iron shafts, camshafts, right? So yeah, so they are into a very niche segment, which probably it looks pretty fine, because it looks like to me, I'm not very well aware, but I'm assuming that it is an auto ancillary. So autos are having a kind of breakout, and so ancillaries will also give a good move. So I'm expecting a target of 140 for sure. That means almost like 40% return in few days, right? In few months, right? Which is not bad at all. So I think with this, I'm signing off. All the best, and take care. Take care of your money, and keep learning and keep earning, and follow Stock Pro at whichever place you want. You can follow us on Twitter. You can follow us on, Telegram. Telegram is a very authentic source. We are very active over here. You can definitely go through all the videos that I've made to gain knowledge on a day in day out basis. So I have already shared with you all, my list, which is Nestle, Marico, Bosch, Godrej Properties, Colpal. In cash segment में Sagar Cement, Dawat and Precam. So guys, if you like my videos, please share with others. Please share the channel with others, and give a thumbs up. It really encourages us, and it really helps us to um, know what you're thinking, right? So next video, I'll be reading your comments and I'll be answering your questions. So please send some questions on my comment box. I'll be very happy to answer. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.